Hey guys, welcome to Turkey Lord 5516. Today we will be talking about all my birds from a request from one of my subscribers. We have Banana, my turkey hen. Then we have Peanut Butter, my tom. He's something. We got the girls, which are Brahmas. We have 3 of those. We have Gamora, my peahen. We got Quill, the peacock. Then we have Amelia the gosling, she's bitey. We have Abigail, which is snuggly. We got Jalapeno, we got Lemon, we got Milkshake. Then we got 18 little Brahma babies. We got light and buff Brahmas. Then we have Kiwi and Pineapple the ducks. Thank you for watching Turkey Lord 5516 and have a great day.